Bye.
Everyone does.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ate Sam. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hi, Ate Sam. It's me again. Happy birthday. We wish you all the best. Sorry we can't be there. We're coming back probably next year. Thank you for him. And please bring me lechon, please. Yes.
Hello. Hello from Australia. And I'd like to wish you a happy 18th birthday and hope you enjoyed your day today. It's a special day for you, so you should thank your mum, dad, your aunties and everyone in Davao for helping you set this event. And sorry we couldn't make it because we just couldn't make it because mum, she didn't want me to go. So I'd like to wish you a happy birthday from here. Yeah, thanks.
Happy birthday, Ate Sam. Of course, it's your birthday today. Officially 18 at last. Wish you all the best. Good things in life. Boyfriend, wag mo na mag-boyfriend. Andiyan lang yun sila sa tabi-tabi. Huwag mo masyadong isipin yan dahil sure ko hindi ka rin nila iniisip or hindi ka rin niya iniisip. Just finish your studies, make your parents proud, so as the aunties and uncles and lolos and lolas as well, you can gain more. That's for sure. Of course, as I said, enjoy the night. It's your night. And have fun in life. Keep fit always. That's a good thing in life as well.
As you grow, you have birthdays, but always make them your special days.
Hi, Ate Sam, Tita, and happy birthday. I love you, Sam, and continue to be a good girl and pretty, and good luck sa studies mo. And we are so proud of you. And good luck sa pagiging dalaga na wag mo nang mag-boyfriend. And finish your studies and to become engineer and to be here. And see you soon, maybe end of this year or next year. Sorry kung hindi kami makapunta, but we all missed you. We missed the event. And good luck sa mga plans mo sa life. And thank you for Mommy and Daddy and Alex for the preparation. Thank you to all. And Sam, you know Sam, nandito lang kami ng mga tita and titos mo, titas and titos mo. Nandito lang kami palagi for you at sa mga lahat ng cousins mo. Nandito lang kami to support you in every way. And we love you and we love you all the pamangkin. And hi to Lola and Lolo. And to my brothers and sisters, see you soon. 2017, 18, 19, 20, I don't know. So, maybe, in God's time.
July something.
Makapagbakasyon kami and to enjoy.
To ara.
And happy birthday, Sam. Enjoy the night.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
And I love
Enjoy
you
the
so
night.
much. We love you guys. We
Share
love you
some-
lahat. Lolo, Lola, love you. Miss you.
Thank you
And-
pala sa damit.
And thank you sa padala.
Duterte.
Thank you sa mga padala ninyo. Thank you so
Share mo
much
ako sa
for the
cake.
package.
Share the
Salamat.
cake!
Share the
And-
cake.
Please.
First bite
Lechon.
sa amin na lang. Kami. Lechon, hopefully.
Cake!
And good luck. Happy birthday. We love you, Ate Sam. I love you so
Bye.
much. I love you guys. Thank you, Erwin.
Bye.
And Grace, Alex, and all my sisters. Thank you, and my brothers.
Happy
Mama.
birthday
Love you,
to
Mama.
you.
Love you, Mama.